guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is the third episode of our food blog series wherein we cover a particular country's cuisine in Mumbai or Thane. And in today's video we are going to have some authentic Italian food. And today we are specifically going to Mulund to a restaurant named Mad Dough Sardo Pizzeria and Bakehouse.
So the restaurant Mad Dough is located inside the premises of Kalidas Natya Mandir in Mulund. The ambience is very bohemian with ample amount of natural lighting in the morning, while for the evenings the filament bulbs give a very warm and cozy feeling. Now let's talk about the food. So first up we ordered one of their pizzas, and this one was called Fiona's Pizza, which is one of their best sellers. This pizza was priced at Rs 625. By the way, as their name suggests, this restaurant uses sourdough for their pizzas and other baked items. The Fiona's Pizza looked stunning and it had generous amounts of beautiful toppings like caramelized onions, sun-dried tomatoes, olives, arugula leaves and feta cheese. The pizza base that they use is in Neapolitan style, which means thin crust and high edges. The pizza was also garnished with some grated pomodoro cheese. Do not forget to ask for the chili and garlic oils, which absolutely enhance the flavors of the pizza. Many authentic pizzerias do not serve tomato ketchup, but this place does serve in case you cannot imagine your pizza without a tomato ketchup. Overall, the pizza tasted delicious. The quality of the crust was amazing. It was a soft and light base with smokiness coming from the wood fire. All the pizzas here are baked in the wood fire oven, which is again amazing. Overall, all the vegetables combined with the chili and garlic oils and the base tasted delicious, and the arugula leaves added a refreshing taste. Overall, we would rate this pizza an 8 out of 10. From the pasta section, we wanted to order something unique other than the usual penne or spaghetti pasta. So we ordered this beautiful looking lemon ricotta ravioli. The presentation of this dish was absolutely stunning. This dish was priced at Rs 555 and it had total 6 pieces of raviolis along with ample amount of sauce. The green colored herby looking raviolis were going so great with the vibrant orange cream sauce, and the edible flowers added a very royal touch to the dish. Also loved the plate in which the pasta was served. It looked very rustic and elegant at the same time. The pasta dough in the ravioli had spinach in it, and that's why the green color, and the sauce was made from bell peppers and not tomatoes. The raviolis were perfectly made, and now it was time to taste them. The raviolis had a beautiful filling of ricotta cheese flavored with some lemon. The combination of spinach and ricotta cheese is a classic one in Italian cuisine. So the pasta tasted really delicious, and the sweetness of the bell pepper sauce was nicely balancing the sour flavors of ricotta. Overall, it was a beautiful explosion of flavors in the mouth. The pasta dough could have been cooked a bit more. Overall, we loved the dish and we would rate it an 8 out of 10. This restaurant also has a risotto on their menu, which is very rare to find. Risotto is an Italian rice dish wherein the rice is cooked with a flavored broth till it reaches a creamy consistency. You can also call this an Italian khichdi, because the look and consistency of this dish is very similar to the khichdi. We had ordered the pesto risotto and it was for 585 rupees. Pesto is actually one of the Italian sauces which is used in many dishes like pizzas or pastas. The green color comes from basil leaves, which are the main ingredient in a pesto. Now it was time to taste the risotto. We did some routine rituals like sprinkling some oregano and some chili oil. The consistency of the risotto was very rich and creamy, and it tasted delicious with subtle flavors of pesto and garlic. There was a slight hint of cheese as well, but not overpowering. Talking from authentic Italian point of view, but for our Indian palate, the flavors felt a little subtle. So we drizzled some chili oil and also a squeeze of lemon for some bold flavors. Overall, the quantity and quality of this risotto was amazing. The chunky rice grains were cooked perfectly and they had a lovely bite. We would rate it a 7 out of 10. Next up, it was time to have the dessert, in which we ordered a chocolate mousse cake with fruit compote. This dish was priced at Rs 405. Although separately all the elements in the dish looked great, overall we felt the presentation of this dessert could have been better. The quantity of the dessert looked great. The dessert consisted of a chocolate mousse cake, along with some fresh cut fruits and fruit compote and some whipped cream. Overall, the smoky chocolate flavors of the mousse cake were going great with the bold fruity flavors of compote. Overall, a well balanced dessert dish, and we would rate it a 7 out of 10. Mad Dough is a great place to enjoy some authentic Italian cuisine with your friends or family. Also, it has ample amount of seating space to host big groups. Here are a few videos from their partially open kitchen, and this is the pizza section. So that was it about today's food vlog. If you loved this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification, and we will see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.